Hi then. Wala nang laman yung ano namin. Oh. Lalagyan ng mga asukal at saka kape. I wanna make it come true, cause I know what I got. Thomas! Wala na po na ibuchi diri mao. Ayun ka ang buchi.
Audio input.
Mahirap ang mag-isa.
FM Tuner.
The needs of our clients and the sustainability for our environment, our commitment to equity ensures that our developments are accessible and inclusive, building a better future for all. Bellevue Woods Residences, ang tubag sa pagpangandam sa mahayag na ugma. Mga pangga, para na, pagpareserba na, sampang barato pa. For more details, please contact 0992-679-2.
Kain tayo ng boche, Jigs. Kain ka ng boche.
Looking for a school that brings out the best in your child? Welcome to Southwell Learning Center, where young minds grow in reading, communication,
Hi, Kelly.
creativity,
Ito, boss.
and leadership. With only 15 students per class, your child gets the attention they deserve. Learning comfort with air-conditioned classrooms that make studying a breeze. At Southwell, we don't just teach, we inspire. Well now, unlock your child's sound out at Southwell Learning Center. Call up again. 0961-615-3096 or visit our campus at corner Magdalene Lynn Street, your city, where learning begins and where learning ends. Southwell Learning Center.
Ryan.
Learning Center, where every child deserves an opportunity.
May ano siya sa loob, Jigs. Ano na?